Today on Lake Life, we're going to explore beautiful Lake Taneycomo near Branson, Missouri. Welcome to the heart of the Ozarks. The Branson Tri-Lake area boasts of great family attractions and unmatched outdoor adventures. Today, we're going to explore the Lakeside RV Park and Scotty's Trout Dock on beautiful Lake Taneycomo. This area has so much to offer the boating enthusiast, the die-hard fisherman, and the professional shopper in your family. Branson, Missouri is known for its amazing family attractions, its fun and unusual dining experiences, world-class fishing lakes, and #1 rated family fun parks and attractions. But today, we're going to explore the mid-Lake Taneycomo camping region. Located in the shadow of Country Music Boulevard's famous arched bridge, you will find Lakeside RV Park. Operated by the city of Branson, this RV park can accommodate the really big rigs, with campsites that can handle up to 90-foot RVs. The campground has all of the amenities you would want. The park has showers and on-site laundry, a free trolley that will take you to the downtown Branson area, and the $420 million Branson Landing shopping and entertainment complex. And if you prefer to walk, there is a hiking trail that follows the water's edge all the way through the Branson Landing to North Beach Park. Bring your fishing pole because there are several courtesy fishing docks along the way. Don't forget to bring your boat because the Lakeside RV Park has a public boat ramp and plenty of trailer parking. This is an ideal location to launch your kayak too. You can paddle upstream among the residential docks and be greeted by some of the friendliest people around, or maybe spot one of the many bald eagles that fish in the area. You will pass under the Branson Scenic Railway bridge, where you can wave to the passengers that are enjoying one of the dinner excursions, and if you are visiting near the Christmas time, you can take the Polar Express. This holiday experience is a must-do for the kids that follows the story of the classic movie, The Polar Express. Mornings are amazing on Lake Taneycomo. The fog sits on the cold water as the sun rises and the wildlife wakes to a new day. The smell of bacon frying on a cast iron skillet fills the air as early risers prepare for a fun-filled day. If you need to rent a boat, Scotty's Trout Dock has many available. Soft drinks, bait, tackle, and a place to show off your catch can all be found at Scotty's Trout Dock. They also have kayaks available to rent too. If you own your own kayak, you will want to check out Holland Kayak Park, just across the lake from the Lakeside RV Park. This is a great place for beginners to enjoy the sport. Located on the Turkey Creek arm of Lake Taneycomo, the water is slow moving and warm enough to swim in. Be sure to check out the St. James Bridge while you are there. There is so much to do in the Branson Tri-Lakes region. Be sure to check out some of my other lake life videos and please subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in making the Branson area your home or want to explore the possibility of owning a vacation property or second home, give me a call. I am a lake area real estate specialist with my RSPS designation from the National Association of Realtors. You can find me at sellingtheozarks.com.